Hello, I'm Miss Grace here at Chapin Memorial Library, and I'm excited to share a craft with you today for grades 6th through 12th. I know that we normally have our weekly programs here at the library, but this year it has to look a little different, so I hope that you'll come by the library and pick up a craft packet so you can join along in this video. If you haven't signed up for summer reading already, you can download the Read Squared app or sign up at chapinlibsc.readsquared.com so you can go on and register so you can get some awesome prizes while you read over the summer. You can go to our website, chapinlibrary.org, for more information about that. So, without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started on this craft tutorial. All right, so if you were able to pick up one of these craft packets at Chapin Library, it'll include a small popsicle stick loom and a small ball of yarn. The first thing that you're going to need to do is find the end of your ball of yarn. And once you have that ready, you're going to hold it down onto one of the popsicle sticks so that you have a starting point for your tapestry. Next, you're going to wrap the yarn around in one direction, and then you're going to rotate and wrap around again. And you're going to keep rotating and wrapping around the middle just a few times until you start to have an X form right in the middle of your popsicle stick loom. And this will be the center of your God's Eye tapestry. So that is what it should look like. This also holds down that string so that it doesn't come loose and unravel your whole tapestry. After that, you're going to start wrapping the yarn around an individual popsicle stick, and then you'll rotate and wrap it around the next one. You'll continue to rotate and wrap, and this is going to be how you're going to make the entire God's Eye tapestry. So as you do this, you're going to want to make sure that you're going the same direction as the X. So your wrapping around is going to line up with the yarn below it on the X. This will continue to make that beautiful diamond shape that makes it so pretty. Now, if you weren't able to pick up one of the craft kits here at Chapin Library, I did a little bit of the work ahead of time for the craft packets. But all you need is some popsicle sticks, a little bit of hot glue, and some yarn. The work that I did ahead of time that's not shown in this video, I glued the popsicle sticks together in that cross shape, and I tied together a couple different colors of yarn. So the only thing you need to do if you want to use multiple colors of yarn is make sure that they're tied together nice and tight so that you don't have to worry about it coming loose. And as you see, the color's about to change, so this is a good point to, if you are using your own materials, to go ahead and tie on a different color of yarn. So you don't have to watch me wrap and rotate for another 5 minutes. We're going to go ahead and speed up the video until it's time to tie off the very end of your God's Eye tapestry. And like I said before, I know that we're not having our normal weekly summer reading programs, but we hope that these digital programs will keep you involved and excited about our theme for this year, Imagine Your Story. Lots of different cultures value weaving and have folk tales and myths that have to do with weaving, and I encourage you to look at some of those up. So now when you have a couple inches left, you're going to go ahead and tie a loose knot and kind of leave a little bit of a loop there, as you can see. Now you're going to loop it around the top and pull it tight. And once you have that pulled tight, that should work, but just to be safe, to make sure all this hard work doesn't go unrewarded, you're going to loop again around that last string that we had and tie a knot through that, and you are good to go. And there you have it, a God's Eye tapestry. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and have a great summer.